Next, Joanne. Joanne says, hey Neil, I think Amazon owes me some money. How do I check? All right, so let me tell you, if you have sold, let's say $2,000 worth of stuff, sales on Amazon in the past 12 months, I am 99.9% sure that Amazon owes you some money, because all sorts of shit happens. Stock gets returned, stock goes missing in the warehouse, all sorts of crazy shit happens. And what should happen is that Amazon notices that. So if you get a product returned and actually it gets returned because there's an issue with the shipping and you are FBA, then you should not pay for that. Amazon should pay for that. That's not your fault. That's Amazon's fault. All right. So if you've made over $2,000 in sales on Amazon, I'm 99.5% sure you are owed some money. So how on earth do you check that? So what you want to do is come to reports, and you're going to go to inventory reports. Okay. And then you want to come down to, actually I've got a little doc for you here so you can play along in the doc. Let me give you this. So I put a doc together as well for you. And I put this, if you're watching the videos, it's in the resources section of the Amazon training program, okay? The resources section of the Amazon training program, it's all in there. Anyway, inventory adjustments. Inventory reconciliations. No, where is it? Inventory adjustments. That one just here. That adjustment means we owe you some money. It means we've got to adjust some shit. So you come down to there, inventory adjustments, and then you will arrive at this particular page here. I'm not going through it because this is not my Amazon account and I want to be just mindful of that. You'll put your SKU in, whatever that is, highlight all of them, make your date as since you last did it. If you've never done it before, then just put all the time and generate your report. And then what you're going to get is a list of ASINs and a list of transaction IDs. You'll get a list of them, and each of the transaction IDs will actually have at the end of it a reason for why it got returned and a code, okay? So what you do is just copy and paste them, come to the help section on Amazon, and you want to get support for a different issue. Okay, that one just there. It's going to bring you to here, and then you want to describe your issue like this. I should put that on the document actually. You say, hello, whatever, Jeff, you bastard. Could you please check the following 10, and do this in tens, don't do hundreds, don't be tempted to do, just do 10 a month. That's a good way of catching up, okay? Could you check the following transaction IDs, please? And so it's transaction ID without the brackets, and then the code, and I've given you the code here, look. So if it's code, whatever it may be, you'll get the code though. And then whatever it was, damaged at fulfillment center. And you're just going to say, can you just double check this for me? Make sure that I've been reimbursed, okay? That's what you want to do. Now I'm going to put this on here. There you go. So that's the seller support, like that. So if you haven't done that yet, and if you've never done that, then good luck, because you're just about to get some money. I do this all the time, and it gets you a lot of money returned to you. Amazon should do this, but they don't. So you do it, and this will get you some money back for sure. This will get you some money back for sure, okay? Super, super easy. Again, here's the link for that. And if you're watching the videos, send to all afterwards, then it's in the resources section of the Amazon training program that we have here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, along with heaps of other really, really cool shit what's in there as well. All sorts of cool stuff that gets put in there. And as I've been finding out and doing different stuff on here, I put it in there as well, okay? So that's how you get your money back from Amazon if you've never done that before. Hope that helps, Joe.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.